The industry leader in exhaust technology introduces their new Force II system for the 1963 through 1967 Chevrolet Corvette with small block V8 engine. This crossmember-back dual system features wrinkle-free 2 1/4-inch mandrel bent tubing that runs through a specifically engineered X-pipe assembly. The mufflers are a specially tuned 60 series design featuring Flowmaster's patented Delta Flow technology. The system is finished off with beautifully polished stainless steel tips that exit in a stock fashion while still providing a custom performance look. As a Force II system, it will typically produce a mild interior sound level while providing a moderate performance tone on the exterior. If you're looking for an increase in power and torque with a performance